Hey everyone, a new video special for my official YouTube guys and Telegram channel Team Scribbot. Please check first link. Second link, that's my support service guys. Today I'm gonna show you how to make money online guys on the casino Mostbet guys. I will play guys in the game Aviator. You can see Aviator's Prime, that's popular game, and special for this game guys, I will use my super Android application helper guys, Aviator Predictor guys, for the game Aviator, and this program gonna help you for earning money. Right now guys, let's check my live laptop time for HD. Today you can see in this place I'm using guys official website mostbet.com. Let's check again official link. So also guys, here let's check my starting amount $74 for this game, and here we go guys, let's play. I'm ready. So right now guys, my application show me current coefficient guys, and let's check this round. You can see the playing freeway on the signal guys. Okay, for example, $45 my first bet, place a bet, and what the fuck, my god. Oh my god guys, around 43 current coefficient guys for this game, and I know current signal, and on this coefficient guys I'm gonna press cash out, and let's check my winning. Here guys you can see like my money more and more. That's dollars guys, USD, United States dollars. $45 I made the bet. You can see the plane still flying guys. I know current coefficient for this round. Let's check guys, other players already press take winnings guys, but I'm waiting because I want to win more money guys. So now guys, let's cash out. You can see I won, and the plane flew away guys on this coefficient. Really crazy application guys, really crazy application. Next current coefficient guys, and you can continue to play. I'm using usually Android phone for this application. So let's check guys, my amount $1,661. Next step guys, now I want to show you my bets, and I made only one bet guys in this video, and you can see I won money. Next step, withdraw guys, and on this page you can create a new withdrawal request guys, and you can use any withdrawal methods. For example, this popular method guys, Visa card. Like this you can make money online. Thanks for watching, bye bye, I'll see you next time guys.